Good afternoon, class. This is Richard here at Cornerstone University. I'd like to welcome you to the fifth and final unit of our online course, Digital Literacy. So let's take a look at some of the items. There's only two objectives. We're going to be doing a lot with data and spreadsheet with Excel, and then doing some basic calculation functions and see how versatile and useful that particular tool will be in our professional life or in our ministerial life or personal life. So the first thing here is the Office 365 training. And then you submit your, that's for the Excel, the spreadsheet that we mentioned. Once you complete that module, you can turn the certificate in right here. There is a forum for this week. I'd like you to post at least by Thursday some applications for this, like I said, in your personal or professional or ministerial work. And then we get time to reply to each other over the weekend too. The how to eat an elephant spreadsheet, which you're familiar with from your 100 course that you took earlier in your cohort. We're going to kind of use that as far as the hours of the day and calculate. And again, it doesn't have to be super detailed, but just somewhat in general terms, the use of your hours for the day, and then we can put them in a spreadsheet and see how much comparatively in chart or a graph, work versus recreation versus family time or worship time that we have, or time of devotional, just to kind of see in a helpful way, utilize a spreadsheet to do a little life coaching per se. Then, of course, the videos, what you have to do is create a YouTube link with your narrated videos. And that's the basic thing you have to do with that. Sorry about that. So once you get that YouTube link created, then what you're going to do is go back to Unit 4. So click up here and go back to Unit 4, and you're going to post that link right here in the forum called Research Project. So go back to Unit 4 and paste it here so that we can watch, click on the link, watch it, and then do comments in there. So moving ahead then to back to Unit 5, that's what we're going to do with the research project. Then your groups, how well did you work? I know there was some problem making connections. You won't be counted against you if there was difficulties, but please do turn in the group evaluation, just chronicling what contributions you did. Finally is this post-course assessment, which it says to take unless you scored a 95. Now I know nobody scored a 95 on the pre-course, so you can just take it to see if you made any progress. Again, I will change the results to 10 out of 10 for everybody, so it will not be counted against you if you get some wrong. It's just for your own self-reflection, so to speak. So those are the items. If you do want to see the how it looks in the syllabus, you can click on the syllabus here, scroll down to the Unit 5 as far as the points and so on that you will be gaining. 40 for completing the Excel training, 10 for the discussion, 100 for the how to eat the elephant spreadsheet, following the instructions on changing the colors, entering the data, and so on. 10 on the research project response, 10 for the post-course assessment, which I said I will just change to 10 points to everybody, and that should get you the close out the course. So hopefully you all have a good week. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email me, and I'd be glad to get right back to you if you have any questions. And so thanks, everybody. Talk to you soon.